How to look elegant. Welcome back to my channel. Whether you're attending a special event or simply want to elevate your everyday style, mastering the art of elegance can truly transform your presence. In this video, we'll share some tips and tricks to help you exude elegance effortlessly. Let's dive in. Our first tip is to prioritize simplicity. Elegance is often found in simplicity, so opt for clean lines and minimalistic designs when selecting your outfits. A timeless piece, like a little black dress, can be a go-to option for various occasions. Next, pay attention to fit. Well-fitted clothing instantly enhances your silhouette and adds an air of sophistication to your look. Tailoring your clothes to fit your body perfectly can make all the difference. Another essential aspect of elegance is grooming. Taking care of your hair, skin, and nails demonstrates attention to detail and refinement. A polished appearance goes a long way in enhancing your overall elegance. Now, let's talk about accessories. Accessories can elevate even the simplest of outfits, so choose them wisely. Opt for timeless pieces like pearls, a classic watch, or a structured handbag to add sophistication to your ensemble. Posture plays a significant role in how elegant you appear. Stand tall, with your shoulders back and chin up. Good posture not only improves your physical appearance but also boosts your confidence. Lastly, confidence is the key to exuding elegance. Own your unique style with confidence and remember that true elegance comes from within. And there you have it, our guide on how to look elegant. Remember to keep it simple, prioritize fit, groom yourself meticulously, choose accessories wisely, maintain good posture, and above all, wear your confidence with pride. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.